Welcome to A Magical Holiday Twist, a unique journey into the realm of AI-powered filmmaking. Join us as we unveil how this enchanting Christmas movie was brought to life, blending AI ingenuity with a touch of cinematic magic. Step 1. Crafting the script. Our adventure began at ChatGPT-4. Here, we embarked on a creative dialogue, inputting our ideas and watching them transform into a compelling script. This wasn't a one-shot deal. It involved a series of tweaks and revisions. We refined our vision, ensuring each line resonated with our film's essence. Step 2. Visualizing each scene. Once the script reached its final form, the visual journey commenced. Using the sophisticated capabilities of ChatGPT integrated with DALL-E 3, we began crafting images for each scene. This process was much like painting with words, where each prompt was carefully adjusted until the imagery perfectly matched our narrative vision. Step 3. Animation time. Animation was where the static images began their dance. On Runway, a world of possibilities awaited. We uploaded each image and experimented with different animation styles. Finding the right motion for each scene was a trial-and-error process, but incredibly rewarding. For those looking to enhance emotional depth, try prompts like a person smiling joyfully to get nuanced expressions. Step 4. Upscaling for clarity. Topaz became our next destination, where we upped the ante on our video quality. Here, we fine-tuned our animated clips, enhancing their resolution, clarity, and smoothness. Adjusting upscaling, stabilization, and grain, we ensured each frame contributed to a visually stunning narrative. Step 5. Voiceover script creation. Returning to ChatGPT, we now focused on a voiceover script. This script needed to do more than just narrate. It had to capture the soul of our film. Crafting a script with the right amount of sass and personality was crucial. It was a meticulous process, but eventually we struck the perfect chord. Step 6. Bringing the script to life. With the script polished and ready, 11 Labs was our next stop. Here, the script transformed into spoken words. The choice of voice was pivotal. We needed one that embodied the film's spirit. We selected Freya for her perfectly sassy and engaging tone. After several iterations, we found the voice that truly represented our movie's heart. Step 7. Final assembly in Adobe. Now, all pieces of this cinematic puzzle converged in Adobe Premiere Pro. It was time to stitch together our video clips, the narrated voiceover, and enhance it with audio effects. Adobe's ability to generate subtitles from our audio added an accessible layer to our film. We simply chose our audio track, navigated to create transcript under the text menu, and then seamlessly integrated captions using captions from transcript. Et voila! Our AI movie trailer was ready to wow the audience. And there you have it, a magical holiday twist. Our AI-crafted film, a harmonious blend of technology and creativity. Behold the final product, a testament to the unlimited potential of AI in the realm of storytelling.
In our urban winter wonderland, where snowflakes are deadlines and holiday cheer is just another to-do, meet Emma. She's a chef who prizes flambe over family time, and her life's about to get as spiced up as her dishes. Cue the crisis call. No holidays complete without a dash of family drama, right? Emma's back in her hometown, a place so quaint it screams, sponsored by Christmas Inc., greeted with hugs that feel like last year's too-tight sweater. A trip down memory lane reminds us when believing in Santa was her biggest worry, not her questionable life choices. Enter Jack, the childhood crush turned dreamboat, because what's a story without a little old flame rekindling? Cue the mandatory montage to show how their sweetness is cavity-inducing, almost masking the cliché career versus love dilemma that unfolds with a dream job call. Family time turns into an eggnog-fueled therapy/philosophy session, leading to the gazebo, the epicenter of tearful confessions and over-the-top love declarations in negative temperatures. Emma, our modern heroine, chooses hometown love over big city dreams, remixing traditions with a dash of 21st century spirit. As the festival lights up, everyone's problems magically dissolve in the glow. And they all live happily, at least until the credits roll.